What's going on, guys? Welcome back after a very long hiatus. I think it's been almost 2 years since we've done anything. Quick update on where we have been though. Not playing card games. we haven't played a single card game in about a year and a half until this appeared on the scenes. So as you can see, we've been to a demo caravan and got some goodies as well, and we decided we might as well film it and make some content for you guys. So
yeah, let's do it.
Let's have some fun, I hope. We've got a dragon deck today versus Lyleen.
Do you have Lyleen?
Yes, well, I've got my shiny stuff.
Oh yeah.
So it'll be good old green versus dragons and chillet today. And we'll are you getting your shiny stuff out?
Getting it all out, boy.
Okay, we're doing that.
I think that's all I've got. I don't have the luxury of you having shinies.
Hey, I just got 3 of the potatoes. Everything else is one.
That's everything.
But yes, so.
Oh no. Those are lucky souls. That's yours, by the way.
I know.
Still.
But yes, so we will get some deck profiles done for these as well, so you guys can actually see the full list of what we are playing today. This is literally just for fun. We've not really looked up many competitive builds. This is just to enjoy the game, pretty much.
And there will probably be a few misplays as well.
Oh yeah, fully. We're still going with trying to learn the rules at the same time, but
more, I guess.
we'll see what happens. Don't forget to be crap back in.
Got text.
Got a message.
Previously on Love Island.
Right. Put them to the top as they were the first 2 that I gave.
I've got one for the beginning, one for the end. See, use my brain until we get 10 of them.
Until we get 10, yeah.
Exactly.
It's going to be effort.
But it is what it is. Right, well, Bosch. I have no idea what you are.
Watch.
Fixer.
Ooh, let me pick again.
Yep.
Stick with the one I always go with.
And you keep going second.
Fair enough.
Of course you do.
Cool, so setting up the game, if people aren't aware, you start with 10 life. I have an ingredient material counter because my deck requires it. Brandon does not, because his does not require it.
He needs the extra resources.
Yeah, which is useful. So going second, you start with 1 soul and you also get the draw. Going first, you do not get anything.
No, but I get choice of mulligan first though.
That's very true.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you start with 5 and then player 1 gets the choice if they're going to mulligan or not.
I'm going to keep.
Going to keep.
I'm going to keep.
Well, I am going to mulligan. So mulligan in this game works slightly differently. You whack your cards back in,
Shuffle.
and then you redraw 5. How about it? Thank you, sir. Cover your name.
No, I didn't. Here we go.
2, 3, 4, 5. Cool.
So it's my turn, yeah?
So you're starting, yeah?
So I don't get to draw, but I gain 2 soul. And that ends my turn.
So to start my turn, I get to draw, and then I gain 2 soul 2. Of course. Not gonna do what you do and cover them up. And then I will. 3 doesn't really do much for me, I think. We will take 2.
Yeah, keep.
2 bucks. And then pass you.
Right, so I don't stand, so I miss that place where I draw.
This side of the table is, so you can do
And
that.
gain 2 soul. And I only have 1 card I can play, so I'll rest all 4. I'll stay to draw 3 cards.
Fair.
That ends my turn.
Cool. So again, I have nothing to stand, but I will draw, and I will gain another 2 soul. So we will pay 4 to summon Dublin. On deploy, I gain 2 of my ingredients, and then I will use the feed box's skill to consume 1 and increase my rested soul count by 1.
Okay.
And then we will swing for you to strike. Why not?
I'll take it.
Cool.
So I took top 2 cards, but if there's a lucky power, it ends.
Yeah.
One.
Damage check 1, damage check 2.
Well, there's fuck all, so I'm taking 1?
2.
2.
2 strike, yeah.
So I'm 8.
And then I'll pass my turn.
Fucking double 2. Stand and draw. Gain 2 soul. We all know what's happening now, don't we?
If it's Chile, then happy days.
It's the boss monster, I mean. 5. Effective chill it on deploy, I get to check the top card of the deck, and if it's a dragon, summon it. If it's not, go to mana. It's a dragon. On deploy, I get to draw 2 cards, choose 1 card, put it on top of the deck.
That's probably the worst one.
It's not bad, I mean it gets cards in my hand, the only problem is, all these cards in my hand, I don't really want to put on top of the deck. But hey ho, needs must I guess.
Indeed, indeed.
I'm quite well to check that. Probably need. I don't have to show you because that's fine.
Nope.
Okay, I've got 1 soul left and I don't know. So I'm going to move to the attack step. How big is he? 5?
500, yeah.
I'm attacking for 9. 9 for 9.
How big's the strike on both deck?
2 on both please.
That's fine. Just happen.
And then chill attack for 2.
Good. Usually it's
Pay the soul, sure. Over to you.
cool. Stand, nothing to stand. I will draw, gain 2 souls. So it should be an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so we'll go a 6.
Big twice. Can't be Lyleen, she's.
Delia? Her on deploy skill, I gain a life, and I stand 2 souls. Choose this on the tension. No, choose this on damage. Cool, lovely. What are we giving that for? Not really what I wanted, but hey ho. We will pay 3 for Blessing of the Power Spirit. I gain another life. And I get to draw a card.
The fact that you can go up 10 lives is nuts.
Just entertain it. Sure. I will. I will stand.
Alright.
Nice.
Stand everything, draw a card. And then gain 2 soul. Okay, this is not good. Use bonus.
Spending 900 to sold away.
3, 4, 7.
Relax us all.
Yeah, rest of that. Can't stand on this card on field.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm going to attack you for 3 strike.
Good. I'll let it go.
I swear to God, I can tell. There's 1 big time, fine. Taking you 2.
Yeah, again, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
She doesn't have any more effects, does she?
Nope.
Attack you for 2 again then.
Anyway.
We're on level pecking again. Over to you.
She's a stand.
Nope.
Draw.
And
Okay,
sure.
the last 2
The
souls.
last 2, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Cool. So we will.
I have 1 soul standing just in there.
Yeah, that's fine. Here we go. That one or this one. Sure, we will go this way then. We'll pay 3 for 2+7.
Okay.
And then we will pay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
Yeah, what's the deal?
for lead price. Rocking Fleet Box's skill, it will consume 1 to gain 2 souls back. I will then pay 2 for Tansy. Cool. So we will proc this skill, which is rest the card, give this 200 power, and I gain 2 food. Then I will proc his skill, using those 2 food to then add breakthrough. So I will swing at Relaxosaurus for 1900 breakthrough.
Take 1 soul.
Yep.
And then I'll attack.
Still goes through.
Is that rule official? Did you ask?
By the looks of it, it is, yeah. Because it's the only card that has it in the game.
It says battle damage does not occur.
I know.
I can't.
But it's technically after battle damage, isn't it? Because it nullifies this battle, but then it's still.
Yeah, but why would it? It's completely nullifying the attack as well. That's what I don't understand.
Well, it just nullifies the damage within that battle. Technically, the piercing.
It says nullify the opponent's attack. Battle damage does not occur.
No, it's after battle damage, isn't it?
Yeah, but I'm nullifying the attack as well. This is the confusion. If I'm nullifying your attack, there's no way battle damage is going through. How do you play it?
I mean, I'd play it like the sim for now, but
So you want me to take it?
if you want to play accurately to the simulator that's on there, but it's up to you.
I mean, if we're going to go off of the sim and not the rules, then I'm going to have to go with that because, like you say,
Well, it's not even not the rules.
well, we can't find anything written on the rules
Yeah.
for that. So,
It's not yet.
I mean, I'll take it, but
It's the only card that can go.
I
through.
think it's a little.
I definitely, yeah,
fair.
it is.
If
But
anyone can help us that knows the rules,
that
that'd be great.
Still
But
knows
I'm
it.
pretty sure because I'm nullifying the attack, so the attack doesn't actually happen, right? When you nullify it.
In theory, but this just says when a power sent to the graveyard.
Yeah, but it's not
still-
technically classed as a power because it's quick.
But it is still technically a power. If it's an event card, then yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, it's an interrupt from hand, that's the only other thing as well. I mean, I'll treat it as for now,
I'd
but
still take it for now.
I'm ruling it as it doesn't work, but I'll take the
That's
three
it.
for now.
We'll figure it out at a later stage. You probably won't take the damage anyway.
I will. But that's another thing as well. Why would it even be like that? Because if I'm nullifying your attack and battle damage does not occur, but yet I still have to mill 3 and then take the life, that's crazy. 3.
Yeah, it's because you're still sending a power to the graveyard, that's the problem.
Yeah, I mean, I personally think because it's a card from hand and nullifies the attack, and battle damage does not occur, he shouldn't be doing anything basically. But I'm sure we'll get a comment that says,
yeah,
you're right or I'm right.
If someone knows the official ruling on it, because the Discord is
I think that's the only thing we're not sure on.
Yeah,
but I think
the Discord's quite split between that, so...
Yeah, but hey ho. Anyway,
no one knows.
I've taken the 3, so...
Cool.
That stays alive because I've nullified the...
Yeah.
Well, did I nullify the attack?
But you did on your PAL.
I nullified his attack.
Yeah, on the PAL, and then the skill just went...
Again.
Cool, and then I will pass down.
Okay. Hey, I'm not mad. I just want to know, personally.
I'm just going by the sim.
Because we asked a few people at the demo and they didn't have a clue.
Yeah.
Stand, draw. Am I on my last 2? Yeah, 10, so I'm on. Right, now we're in the problem. You have no cards in hand, right?
I have 2.
Gosh.
You've taken every damage, so no you wouldn't.
Thinking, okay, I'm going to play 3 for a fan favourite.
It's like Wooden Wall.
Wooden Wall. Best card in purple in my opinion.
Stupid fucking wall.
I'm going to play 3. Actually, do okay, I'll play 4. Because I want the penguin. We need to destroy it or send to the graveyard I can draw. I'll play 3 to activate Zoe's strategy. Using her 3rd effect, I choose one of my pals and butcher it. If I butchered one or more cards this way, I choose one of my opponent's pals and put it into the graveyard. Cool. So I'll kill my penguin, kill your dig twice, and because this is sent to the graveyard, draw a card. I have a penguin, it's fine. How big is he?
200.
Of course he is. I'll take you for 3. That's under the vision. Attack you for 2. Attack you for 2. Over to you.
Cool. Stand, draw. Get my soul back.
So breakthrough does not work on the wooden wall.
No,
it can't.
It's not a power. Yeah. We will pay 3 to eliminate your wooden wall.
Yeah, because it's destroying it to draw a card anyway.
We'll pay 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's a big choice. Fuck me. Okay, that's unexpected.
And we will rest this to choose this to give it 200.
Yeah.
And then I will swing at your church for 1,000.
I'm going to discard a card from my hand and intercept it.
Cool. Over to you then.
How big is he? 800?
800, and you have to attack it.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I'll play 6. 6. To summon the dragon. On deploy, draw a card, choose one power and rest it. I can't do that. They're both rested on your side. Draw a card. Fucking 6 costs.
It's annoying that Zoe Stratton just choose the power and give it. I've only seen 2 lucky pass so far, so I'm good with that.
Play 4. To summary the last pal. I'm going to move to combat. I'm going to attack 12,000.
Is it 3 or 2 strike?
2. Okay, so I'll do the other one.
Set that one.
I will attack you for 2. Attack you for 2. Game.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I literally saw nothing.
I had 3 interceptors in my hand, a crystal breath, and a dark cannon.
Yeah, I literally saw. Oh, there you go. Look at that. 2 lucky powers, next powers. Wow. What was my next setup then? Oh wow. 4 lucky powers or 3 lucky powers in the space of 4 cards. So if I had, milled a couple of extra cards, wouldn't
Yeah, I'm surprised. I mean, it didn't really matter which way you did it, did it?
What?
Take the attack on that first one, then nullify the second one. Wouldn't have mattered, would it? So
No,
3 attacks coming at you.
Yeah, it just meant that I was gonna lose the 3 damage coming towards me. It won't even been 2.
It's fine. You can have your breakthrough skill now.
I knew as soon as you got chill on the board, it was gonna be a long game.
Well, if Chillit goes off, I'm
Yeah.
a happy person. If it doesn't, then well,
Yeah, it's a bad day.
yeah. That went bad though. That went well. You got me to 5 at least.
You had all the bloody intercept. Like,
I
had nothing in hand. My draw
To be
mechanic.
fair with you, the Zoe strategy getting rid of that dig twice massively helped me.
Yeah. The fact that it's choose any power, not like 6 or under, well, even if it's 6 or under, it's still killing us.
I mean, if you did Lyleen into a dig twice, that would be even scarier. But if someone
Didn't see if I got Lyleen. All my bloody mix was, all my thingy cards mixed in.
we go game 2. So you need to cut mine.
Yes. Well, you get to choose first or second.
Well, you lost.
Yeah, it's the winner gets to choose.
Oh, is that how we're playing it?
Yeah.
Alright, well. I have to decide before I draw, don't I?
Mm-hmm.
I'll go second.
Okay.
This is going to be a downfall.
That'll make 5 for that.
Star 1, star 1.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I don't want to do. I didn't fancy starting 2 Yeoman Tides in the hand. That's 60.
I had a Lyleen, but everything was 5 and higher, and I was like,
2 8 draws to start the hand off from there.
well, going first, I'm looking for realistically
Anything
a structure that I can use.
Structure and the. Oh no, you can't. You can only play the structure on the monkey.
Yeah, structure and monkey. You get something out on the first turn. Don't really want a Lyleen and 2 dig close in my hand to start the game.
Exactly. But hey ho, there we are.
There we go. Right. Try again, shall we?
You're fucked.
Yeah, I think I am. Cool. I don't get to draw.
No.
I do get 2 souls, and then I pass on my turn.
Oh wow. Okay, cool. I draw. Again 2. Press 3.
Wooden wool. Sick.
Pass. Problem is early games. Early game is just early game, isn't it? That's the problem. What play then at least?
Oh, right, yeah, I can do.
Rest of them.
That's 3.
You can do that once per turn.
Cool.
God.
Yes. Oh wait, I'm going to set my life.
I'll allow that.
Otherwise, I'm starting the game on 0 now.
Game 2. Press 5.
Yeah.
Chill it. Effect on the boy, check your card. Oh, go to my hand. Got away with that in some, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
Oh, just use the other one in the hand next turn.
So,
I'm going to attack you for 2 and chill it.
yeah, sure.
Top 2. It works for me.
It doesn't work.
Over to you.
Yeah, so I can play that. Great. Sure. 2 for feed box, and then we will pay 3 to bomb your wooden wall.
I get to draw a card because you sent it to the grave.
And then we will pass it down.
Stand everything. Draw. Into. Good news is no shit it coming in.
Oh, that's a shame.
7. Oh wait, or do I do that? Ooh. I'm going to do the 6 instead.
Okay.
Draw 2, and then put one on top. Yeah, that helps massively. Pay my last one. Inch in the row. Just draw the card over back on top.
Yes, fair.
Move to combat.
Mm-hmm.
Attack you for 2.
No.
Yeah, that's fine. Attack you for 2.
Just every load thing I need, that's great.
Over to you.
Stand and draw. Game 2. Right, well, we have one hope. Let's see what happens, shall we? Verse 7, Lyleen. Game 3, and then we will use her skill to thingy 3, and I'm going to check the top 5.
No, you wasn't.
I was. There was 2 other options.
I saw your eye
There was
twitched
one
the minute
other
you saw the
option.
dig toys.
Yeah, because it was like that's the go-to option, but there was another one that I could have had. Can't do anything with that. Or I'll probably have another. I'm gonna stay there.
Why?
Yeah. How do you think I feel? All of my bloody pieces I need are in here.
I'm going to pay 2.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to pay 3 to draw a card.
I was about to say that's what I'm going to be doing in 2 seconds.
Okay, I'm happy now.
You're happy with
I'm
that?
happy. I think it's not enough. I don't have enough. Shit. Maths is not mathing. Okay. I have 3. that. Or leave it. Math is not mathing. Play 3 for Zoe. Kill this. To kill the big boss.
Damn, fair enough, okay. Not seeing that, I thought you were going Lyleen.
Actually, we can't do anything else because she's on deploy, right?
No.
No, it's
That's
not.
not broke every turn. What's that turn?
Oh, I did not know that. I thought it was on deploy. Okay, that's fine. Done it now.
I did not expect you to go to the big door.
Well, to be honest, I thought she was on deploy because I can see the big purple writing.
Yeah, that's for the materials.
Yeah, I didn't realise. I mean, fair enough. It is what it is. You need 3 resources though to do it. The chances you get are high.
I was gonna say, I have ways.
Yeah, I know you do. How big is she?
19. No,
Nine.
sorry, 9.
9. I wonder. This can't attack her, but I will attack you. Next one, you get 7. All this kind of cards.
Stand draw.
Now I know that she's not once per turn. She's my target from now on.
We will pay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tilia. Again alive. That is down 2 souls.
She's on 10, right?
Yep. And then I will pay your 6. Right. Now we have some fun, I guess.
Because you restand the 2 souls from the feedback, right?
Yes.
Yes. That's crazy.
No. First skill. Gain alive, turn 2 souls.
Oh, right, okay.
Which only costs 4.
In fact, did you draw off of her as well?
No.
Oh, okay.
You draw off of the
Oh,
blessing.
right, that's it, yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yes. Stupid word, but it's fun.
He doesn't have breakthrough.
He does not at the moment, no. So we will swing 1900 free strike at Chiller.
I take no damage, right?
No.
I'm gonna actually have to take this, am I? Wow. Do I have enough? We'll just keep attacking.
Chiller will die this turn. Unless you have 3 extra.
I'll play 1. How big is she?
700.
Okay, so she can't kill Chilla then.
She can.
How? Oh, you have an event card, don't you? I'll play 1 and I'll fight it.
I'll pass myself.
Yeah, I didn't think you had any. I do not like my hand right now. This is really disgusting.
I don't like the fact that you've seen 3 of my ways to get resources. Still haven't dealt you a damage yet though.
No, you have not. I'm in a predicament now.
All I need is some more fucking food and I might need it. Ooh, 6. Is that how food?
That's 7.
Was it? Oh, I didn't see the first count. Let me see. No, yes. 900 not standing next to it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Sure.
So what's the powers on both of them?
1900, 900.
I'm gonna have Chillit attack her.
Sure.
Okay, that's one way to get rid of this order. That's 19.
1900, yeah.
I'm gonna attack you with 3 strike.
Depends on what I draw next if I do that. I'm going to hope my next draw is good.
Okay.
Because if it's not, we could be in Capuche Town. Done?
Yeah, done.
Cool. Stand and draw. Okay, we might not be in Capuche Town. Pay 4.
Okay.
End his life.
Sure. I'll just summon another one next turn.
Getting on my tits. Sure, we will risk it for a biscuit. Pay 3, gain 1 life, and draw a card. Right, I'm dropping this in the deck. Like, I'm just done. You know what, I might as well put it on the board. All I keep drawing is feed box. I haven't seen a single. I run 4 and 3.
You can just keep gaining life.
No.
Oh, soul standing, or whatever it is.
Yeah, but I don't have the consumables.
No.
I run 4 of these, I run 3 of these. I see more of this than this.
That's a you problem.
What is wrong with this consistency of this deck, man? It's so shoddy.
I don't know. You've beaten me before. Definitely.
I know, but it's long. Cool, I'm a fast turn. So I'm in the blocker.
You don't actually technically know about this, I can't.
Oh, I should have rested 3. Cool. Instead of playing a stupid feed box that doesn't help me.
I'm going to pay 4. So I'm going to pay 1. I'm going to pay 3.
No strategy to kill
No strategy to kill that. I'm going to draw a card off the penguin.
Yeah. That is my game over, I'm pretty sure.
Not necessarily, because I don't think I can summon anything with 3 soul.
I've literally just cut myself in by getting life.
I'm going to attack you for 2.
Sure.
And then pass. Somewhere around the deck area at the top there's a surrender button. You can always just press it.
No, we don't do that.
You get your resources.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to use everything just to be able to get it. 6.
Yeah, reindeer. Yeah.
And then I will assign him to gain 3 resources and draw a card.
Yep.
Then I will consume 2 of those, proccing 1 for each to gain 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
I'm now back up to
6, right?
yeah, 6. Cool. Oh, I should have bloody drawn 3. Mate, I keep forgetting about this, the thingy to draw, man.
Pay 5.
Yep.
Chill it. No drone.
Cool.
Got lucky with that, didn't you?
I did actually, yeah. Because 1 dragon and that would have killed me because it's 2, 2 and 2. Oh no, we'd have had to attack this first.
Yeah. Pay 4. So my dragon.
Yeah.
He has an attack. He gains 500 if I can reveal a dragon power in my hand.
Oh right, okay.
If that makes sense. Alright. How big is that?
8.
I'm going to attack that for 6 effect. Reveal Relaxosaurus. It gains 500. Attack the deer.
You can have the deer.
Attack you for 2.
No.
Attack you for 2.
Sure.
soul standing.
I will draw. I will instantly rest 3 to draw.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, it's really
Is it really that bad, or are you just bluffing me?
No, this is shocking.
I mean, I'm in a decent position for now until you play something stupid.
Don't do that. This is painful.
You Lyleen. Well, this is interesting.
6. The other bit of my last big toy.
Okay.
We will assign it to game 3. Draw. Then 1 left, so we will prop. Yeah, 2 of them. Maybe down to 2.
Is it 1 for each?
It's 2 for each.
Or would you want 5? What number would you want?
It's 1 consumable, so take it down to 2.
Yeah, no.
And then I gain.
That's what I was
2
asking
soul
for, the
keys.
ingredients.
Yeah.
I know it's 2 soul games, but that's fine. So you're back on 4 now, right? 5.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Two, 3, 4, campfire.
Okay.
And then we'll go past my turn.
I think twice is 19, right?
1900, yeah. I'm waiting for another Zoe strategy just to kill it, so.
Pay 7.
Mm-hmm.
That can't stand during the rises and build.
Does it have to rest it?
No.
I think you have to rest it to proc it.
Why?
Because it says choose 1 6 or less PAL and rest it. While this card is in base, that card does not stand.
So I can't just target a card then? I thought it was do as much of the effect as you can. Because I'm choosing a card that's already rested. I can't rest it, but I can't stop it from. I can stop it from standing, surely.
Potentially. I don't know.
Okay, well let's just.
We'll have a ruling on that one. If anyone knows that in the comments, go for it.
I mean, if I have to do all the effects possible, then that's fine. But if I can do the majority of it, because this is a bushy game, they always say that, don't they?
Yeah,
Vanguard cards,
I
for
don't know.
example. Who knows? Anyway. Let's see which one's that's the question.
Slimbo looks it. Well, you got 2, 4, 6. I'm on 4. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, you could get like 4 lucky pals.
And then 3 in the deck, so.
Attack you for 3.
I'll tell you that was 1, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's the idea.
Sure, why not? Fuck it.
Attack you for 2.
We'll do that, and then hope for the best.
Attack you for 2. Till it end the game. Yeah. Sweet. I had
Yeah, this deck.
literally like interceptors. I'm sorry.
Excuse me?
Just to let you know, that was my hand.
Oh, so you had a lot of shit.
I had a lot of defences. Is that hot?
Yeah.
So that must mean that
Scorching.
the lights overheated then.
Yeah.
Gosh, just leave it off for now.
That's like, come on.
Or it might be the plug.
I think it might be. It's never done that before though.
No. Anyway.
Well, there goes that. We've lost our lighting. Hopefully everything is still fine. Yeah.
That was eventful. Chill it, win the game again.
Yeah. It just, I don't get why I see so much of this. This is a 3 in the deck.
Yeah, and how
This is
many
a 4 of. I see more of the feed box than the ranch.
Yeah.
I don't get why.
Don't know. I run 4 chillets and I only saw 2 of them this game.
Yeah, just not seeing. So my redraw, by the way, was Lyleen, Dig Toys, the 6-drop thingy, the one that gives me health, and that.
Yeah.
So I literally had that, plus the dig toys,
Yeah.
plus that, and then Lyleen. So my redraw was horrific. Yeah, that was my redraw.
Wow.
I was like, yeah, great, cool, I can't do nothing with that.
My redraw, I opened up to a chill it. That's all I want to see, and then I'll just wait till I get 5.
Yeah.
And then just get a board, hopefully.
Damn.
Well, dragons reign supreme.
They do indeed, yeah.
Again.
I somehow need to adjust this deck to make it live.
Chill it again. For the win.
That just makes no sense.
You should get a shiny die.
Yeah.
I just don't even need to show up chill it. Because it's one most of the game, I guess.
Shame it won't match it at the one though.
Well, no, but it's the chill it nonetheless.
There we go. Yeah, that was a bad day for the office for me. Dragons is just very strong once it gets going.
Yeah, Lyleen's one majority of everything.
Yeah. But it's probably just my build. Like again, it's
Well,
not a competitive
yours is
build.
basically pure green.
Yeah.
Whereas the ones that have been winning are purple green or green purple.
Yeah, well it doesn't play. It plays the terror, but it doesn't play like the ranch, the campsite. Whereas I build it around the food mechanic.
Yeah, if you get your resources early, that's strong.
Yeah, if I see a ranch.
That's the problem.
If I see a ranch, I have a
the
great
minute
time.
the ingredients counter starts going
Yeah.
up, that's when I start fucking needing to start eating some of them.
But like, I've got 3 feed boxes and I see all 3 pretty much every game. And then the ranch,
Yeah.
which I have 4 of, I don't ever see anymore.
But now I know that I can do that with Zoe's strategy.
Yeah, just to kill a pal.
Like, if I can target the penguin and kill my own stuff
then
to
you just
target
gain
yours.
a card back, don't you?
Yeah. Because now I know that, now that you've told me about Lyleen being once per turn, I didn't realise it was once per turn.
Yeah, she's a one
I thought it was just like deploy. I mean, I don't really read green cards,
As I can tell.
or red. I
Yeah.
think I know one red card.
I just shuffled my name back in by being stupid.
Anyway,
That's where we've been. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you can give us the rulings potentially on the dig toys and then the Relaxosaurus, that'd be grand.
I don't think we did much wrong.
No, I don't think so, but I think that might be.
Yeah, I mean, we are going off
of
of rules from an online simulator.
Yeah. But
Because we haven't actually been to a tournament
yet.
yet. Very
But
soon.
yes. Right, well thank you ever so much for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Goodbye.